Alright, we're finally back out at the cottage, and today we're going to be getting the grow area ready for this year's outdoor grow. Today we're going to get rid of the root ball, we're going to get out the old soil, and we're going to be ready for next week's transplant. After that we'll head back home and we'll check on the purple ghost candy for one last time. Let's get into it. So it's a beautiful cool day today. It's perfect for doing work in the garden. It's beautiful because it's keeping the bugs away because the mosquitoes are out in full force, but today it's a cool day and it's breezy, so it's keeping them away, which is to my benefit. So all right, here's the old spot. You can see the old stalk in there. She was a thick one. I'm not going to worry so much about cleaning out the grass. I'm just going to get out the stalk, the root ball, and the old soil. And I'm going to reuse the soil somewhere else on the cottage, help some other things grow. And I'll put all new material into the holes this year again. So I do have 4 holes for 4 plants. So since I lost one and I only have 3 main plants left, I'm going to take one of the clones and I'm going to put them into the soil as well. I don't expect it to get as big as the other ones, obviously, because they have a lot more time ahead of it. But we'll put it in the ground anyways and we'll see how big it gets. All right, so let's get to cleaning up this area. All right, so we got them dug up. They're roughly around just a little over 10 gallons, I'm guessing. The root ball was really big this year. They really dug in. This one I'm trying not to step on. We got rhubarb right here. I'm trying not to step on it. So I'm trying to, I didn't get quite as deep as the other ones, but we should be fine because I did the same thing last year. All right, let's head back into town and we'll check on the purple ghost candy for one last time. All right, so we're back home from the cottage. I've showered, changed my clothes, cleaned myself up. Because as I've said before in the past, when you're working in an outdoor garden and you're going into an indoor garden, you got to change your clothes, wash up, because you could be bringing in pests, powdery mildew, stuff like that. And you don't want to ruin your indoor garden just by doing that. So anyways, here's the purple ghost candy. We are day 78 of veg, and they are going into the ground next week. And they are looking fantastic right now. Color is absolutely beautiful right now. They're looking good. So like I said, they're starting to show signs of female. Pistils are showing. Everything's looking good. So I think we're going to be all right. I still do have the other 3 in flower, and they're flowering now. They started flowering. They started showing signs of flower. And so far I see absolutely no signs of male. So I'm pretty sure we're going to be all right. So anyways, here's the rest of the clones. I just put a few more in today. And this will be it. I've already had some friends to grabbing some already. They're putting them in the ground. I figured they're a little bit early, but oh well, they want to take a chance. So they put them in the ground this weekend, and it was cool. It didn't hit the minuses, and we didn't get any frost, but I don't know. You never know. You never know what could happen, so. But I'm doing the same thing. I'm going to be taking a chance next week. I'm still going to be a week before when I was actually going to plant them. But it's time to get them out in the sun, get them growing. So I gave them all a foliar spray. I gave the clones a foliar spray, and I gave the purple ghost candy, the main mothers, I gave them a foliar spray as well. And I've been doing that for the past couple of weeks. I've been doing it a couple of times a week, and it's really made a difference. The color in here is just fantastic. So I think I'm going to take this clone here to be my 4th plant. It's got a good size, it's ready to go. So we'll put that one in and we'll see how big it gets. We'll see. I'll put up the trellis net anyways, because you never know, it could end up shooting up, and I want it to grow into the trellis net so it's got support. So the outdoor season is finally upon us. I've been excited, I've been anxious to get it going, so we're finally getting it going. So next weekend, like I said, we're going to be putting them into the ground, and then we'll be rocking and rolling from there. The rest of the clones, I'm going to give them another couple of weeks, let them get some more size, and then I'll start giving them to my friends and family. I already know a lot of you guys are doing an outdoor grow this season as well. Drop in the comments below what you're going to be growing. I'm always curious to know what everybody's growing. And if you've been liking these updates, hit the like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my updates in the future. So remember, keep growing, keep learning, and keep those roots healthy. Until next time, peace.